Myself, K. Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam. In this lecture, we will discuss about carbon nanotubes. First, carbon. In nanotechnology, researchers are looking out for certain material with desired properties through which the nanoscale components and structure can be obtained. Carbon is found to be one such material suitable for nanotechnology based components due to its inherent desirable properties. Pure carbon exists in four different crystalline forms, namely diamond, graphite, fluorines, nanotubes. Carbon atom is a basic building block of this crystalline structure. Among these, fluorines and nanotubes are found to be useful in nanotechnology for various fabrication of nanostructure. Carbon nanotubes. A group of nanostructures with large potential applications are carbon nanotubes. The hexagonal lattice of carbon is simply graphite. A single layer of graphite is called graphene, as shown in figure. A carbon nanotube consists of a graphene layer which is rolled up into cylindrical shape, shown in figure. When the graphene layer is rolled, the structure is tube-like and it is a single molecule. Each single molecule nanotubes is made up of a hexagonal network of covalently bonded carbon atoms. In some cases, the hexagons are arranged in a spiral form. The layer appears like a rolled up chicken wires with the carbon atom at the apex of the hexagon, shown in figure. The carbon nanotubes are hollow cylindrical of extremely thin layer, 10,000 times smaller than a human hair. Structure of nanotubes. The carbon nanotubes have many structures on the basis of their length, type of spiral, and number of layers. The electrical properties depend on the structure and they act as both a metal or a semiconductor. There are a variety of structure of carbon nanotubes with different properties. Then types of carbon nanotubes structures. The three type of nanotube structures are considered by rolling a graphite sheet with different orientation about the axis. They are armchair structure, zigzag structure, and gyral structure. First one is armchair structure. When the axis of the tube parallel to CC bonds of the carbon hexagons, the structure shown in figure is obtained. It is referred as armchair structure. Second one is zigzag structure. The tube sketched from the figure referred as zigzag and also gyral structure. They are formed by a rolling graphene sheet such that the axis of the tube is not parallel to the CC bonds. Zigzag structure consists of tube axis perpendicular to the CC bonds. In gyral structure, CC bond is inclined towards the axis of the tube. These three types of carbon nanotube structure shown in figure. First one is armature, second one is zigzag, third one is gyral. Generally, nanotubes are closed at both ends with half of fluorine structure. Next, classification of carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes based on the number of layers. The carbon nanotubes are classified as single-walled and multi-walled. In multi-walled nanotubes, more than carbon nanotubes are coaxially arranged. Classification of carbon nanotubes. Single-walled carbon nanotubes having three structures: armature, gyral, zigzag, and multi-walled carbon nanotubes having Russian doll model, Schwarzschild model. Properties of carbon nanotubes. First, electrical properties. Carbon nanotubes are metallic or semiconducting depending on the diameter and chirality. Next, the energy gap of semiconductor chiral carbon nanotubes is inversely proportional to the diameter of the tube. The energy band gap decreases with increase of diameter of the carbon nanotubes. The energy gap also varies along the tube axis and reaches a minimum at the tube ends. This is due to the presence of localized defect at ends due to the extra energy states. In single-walled nanotubes, conduction occurs through discrete electronic states that are coherent between the electrical contacts. This means that nanotubes can be treated as a quantum wires, at least at very low temperature. Next one, mechanical properties. The strength of the carbon bond is very high. Therefore, any structure based on aligned carbon-carbon bonds will ultimately have high strength. Next, nanotubes have therefore high ultimate tensile strength. One of the important properties of nanotubes is their ability to withstand extreme strain. And the carbon nanotubes can recover from severe, severe structure distortion. This is due to the ability of carbon atoms re-hybridize. Next, chemical properties. Nanotubes are highly resistant to any chemical reaction. It is difficult to oxidize them, and the onset of oxidation in nanotubes is 100 degrees Celsius higher than that of carbon fibers. As a result, temperature is not a limitation in practical application of nanotubes. Next, thermal properties of nanotubes. Nanotubes have a high thermal conductivity and the valve increases with decreasing in diameter. Next, application of carbon nanotubes. The unusual properties of carbon nanotubes have many applications such as battery electrodes, electronic device, and reinforcing fibers for stronger composites, etc. First one is electrical and electronics applications. When a small electrical field is applied parallel to the axis of the nanotube, the electrons are emitted at very high rate from the ends of the tube. This is called field emission and it is used in development of flat panel displays. Next, vacuum tube lamps that are as bright as conventional light bulbs with long lifetime and more efficient can be produced using carbon nanotubes. Semiconducting carbon nanotubes connecting to cold electrodes form field effect transistor FET device. The switching time of this device is very fast. Carbon nanotubes with the diameter of 2 nanometer have extremely low resistance and thus they can carry large currents without getting heated, so they can be used as interconnects in chip. Next, computer applications. Carbon nanotubes can be used to make a computer switching device. Next, battery technology. Carbon nanotubes have many applications in battery technology. Lithium with a charge carrier in some batteries can be stored inside nanotube. Carbon nanotube can be used for storing the hydrogen which is used in the development of fuel cell. Next, mechanical application. Nanotubes can be used to increase the tensile strength of steel and a plastic composites of carbon nanotubes provides lightweight shielding material for electromagnetic radiation. Finally, chemical applications. A field effect transistor made of gyral semiconducting carbon nanotubes is used as sensitive detector of various gases, that is gas sensors. Nanotubes act as catalyst for some chemical reactions. Thank you.